kaitan kami bumabati, bukal sa kalooban, di ka malilimo, magpakailan pa man. Happy birthday, Idol Lucio! Happy birthday, Idol! Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday to you. Nawa'y pagpalain ka ng buong may kapako. Happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday to you. Nawa'y pagpalain ka ng buong may kapako. Maraming salamat. And of course, back to you, Lay. Thank you. Happy birthday ulit, Idol. Maraming salamat. Nunitin, gad ka rin. Luluding talaga ako. Lay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ilang oras
Ako na ba?
Ayan, dalawang oras na tayo, Lay. So we have 2 hours and 30 minutes na nga ni Lay. So may 5 minutes na lang tayo. Gawin natin 2 oras at
Alas.
natin.
Okay, sige.
Matusbak na kita. Oy, thank you so much sa inyo guys ha. Sa mga nandyan po, maraming salamat po. Mag-i-end na kami. Last song na si Lay.
Last song.
Naglo-loading na ako eh. Yeah.
Ito na lang yung last song natin kasi para kay mas sumayaw sa Idol. Birthday ni Idol eh. Idol! Happy birthday. Ito na. Listen to the music. Ooh, happy birthday! Listen to the music. Listen to the music. Listen to the music. It's getting late, I'll make my way over to my favorite place. I gotta get my body moving, shake the stress away. I wasn't looking for nobody when you look my way. I said, what got the day, yeah, would you? That you'd be up in her looking like you do. You're making saying over her impossible. Baby, I must say your aura is incredible. If you don't have to go, don't do you know what started? I just came here to party, but now we're rocking on the dance floor, rocking naughty. Your hands around my waist, you just the music babe. We're having just to stress and now we're face to face. I wanna take you away, let's just keep into the music. Baby, let's play. You like the way you do, keep on rocking too. Please don't stop the music. I wanna take you away, let's just sink into the music. Baby, let's play. I just can't refuse it, like the way you do it. Keep on rocking too. Please don't stop the music. Woo! It's getting close. Don't you feel the passion where they feel slow? What goes on between us, no one has to know. This is a private show.